Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unboxing for you. This comes from an Amazon company. They sent me this for review, and what this is a 369 pack Bathbomb mold set, and it is from SWISSELITE on Amazon. I will leave the links in the description box. And as you see, it does show everything that comes in the set. So it has four 2.4 inch mold, Bathbomb molds. It has four 2-inch molds, and it has four 1.7 inch molds. And then it comes with 52 colorful elastics, 100 handmade stickers. It has 3 gauge spoon set, and it has a 1 spoon. And then it comes with 100 shrink wrap bags, 2 gift bags, 100 wrapping papers, and a mini sealer. And it's a pretty nice box, and it's very well packaged. And let me just get this open, and we will see what everything looks like. And I hope everyone's having a great day. And I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right. Get that plastic off. So, let's see what this looks like inside. I'm going to bring y'all up just a tad. All right, so, whoops, that was a band. I thought it was just a piece of paper. All right, so here are the, what did it say? The 100 shrink wrap bags. All right. Let's just take everything out of here because I got a feeling I'm going to refer back and forth to that and what that says. All right. Okay. So, we have got the stickers, homemade for you. That's pretty neat. Just a bunch of stickers. Would it say 100? There's 100 of these. All right. And we have got 3 spoons. We have a, let me see. Okay, so we have a 1.5, a 2.5, and a 5. Okay. And then we have the little rubber bands or elastic set. There was 52 of these. All right. And then we have a sealer. It does need batteries. Okay. So the batteries just go in there. It's just 2 AA batteries. And this is supposed to seal the bags. That's pretty neat. All right. And then I'm not going to unroll this, but this is tissue paper. And there's supposed to be 100 of these, which I'm sure there is. And then here's your spoon for dipping. And then I already said that there was 100 of these little shrink wrap bags. So you'll put your bath bombs in there when you get done with it. And they're shrink wrap, which means you can, I think, hit it with a hair dryer, and it will like suction, like shrink up to the bath bombs. All right. And these are metal. So we've got those. And hold on just a second. Okay, sorry about that. So we have the molds. Now, I am not going to lie. I did think that the stuff to make the bath bombs was going to be in with this. I didn't realize it was just a set to do the bath bombs. You know, just molds and stuff. I actually thought that it was going to be the whole thing. Okay, sorry about that. Buster is just being something today. Every time I turn around, he's getting into something and I'm having to pause. All right, so here are the two gift bags. And as you can see, there's a pink one and a purple one, and they've got silver and gold hearts. Those are really pretty. I like those. So, yeah, that's the one thing I did think, and it's my fault because I didn't read that this was just a mold set. I thought it, you know, was a complete set, came with everything, and, you know, you could open this set and just, you know, it had everything with it to make bath bombs. But that's okay because, you know, this is a very nice setup. It really is. So, I want to say thank you to SWISSELITE for sending this to me to share with all of y'all. I will put the link in my description box so that y'all can, if you're interested in this, you can just click on the link, go right straight to Amazon, purchase this for yourself. But it is very nice. This is a very nice set. It's very cheap. I think it was like $16.99. And that's not bad because you get everything you need to start making bath bombs except for the stuff to make the bath bombs. But that's okay because that's, you know, you can buy it separate. But yeah, I think this is a very nice kit. Very nice kit. Nice box. And it tells you everything that's in it. And that, y'all, you can make bath bombs for gifts, Christmas gifts, baby showers, anniversaries for yourself. And if you have an Etsy shop, there you go. This is a great starter kit. So, all right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I said, I'll leave a link in my description box so that you can just get on over and get you a set for yourself. And please give me thumbs up if you like the video. Leave me comments. I appreciate each and every one of them. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.